Understanding ethical dilemmas in the workplace. Hello learners. Today, we'll dive into a very crucial aspect of workplace ethics and values: understanding ethical dilemmas. We often face decisions in the workplace that test our values and integrity. Let's explore how to understand and navigate these challenging situations. An ethical dilemma occurs when there are two or more morally acceptable options to a situation, but they can't coexist. Simply put, you have to choose one option, even if both seem right. For example, imagine you learn that a colleague is stealing office supplies, but they're doing it because they can't afford school supplies for their child. Do you report it or not? This is an ethical dilemma, as both options have valid moral reasons. Different people might approach the same ethical dilemma in various ways. Why? Here are some influencing factors. Personal values and beliefs. Our upbringing, culture, and personal experiences shape our core values. Workplace culture. The values and behaviors endorsed by the company play a role. Peer influence. Sometimes, we are influenced by what our colleagues believe is right or wrong. Consequences. We might weigh the potential outcomes of our decisions, such as job security, reputation, and potential harm to others. Facing an ethical dilemma can be overwhelming. Here's a step-by-step guide to help. 1. Recognize the dilemma. The first step is realizing that you're in a situation with no easy answers. 2. Gather information. Understand the context. Who will be affected? What are the potential outcomes? 3. Consider your values. Reflect on what matters most to you and what feels right. 4. Seek guidance. Discuss with a trusted colleague, mentor, or supervisor. Sometimes, an external perspective helps. 5. Make a decision. After thorough consideration, make a choice. Remember, there might not be a perfect solution. 6. Reflect. Afterward, take time to think about the decision. Would you make the same choice again? Reflection helps in future dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas are a part of our professional lives. They challenge our integrity and decision-making skills. However, with the right approach, we can navigate these situations confidently and with integrity. We hope this video has shed light on understanding ethical dilemmas in the workplace. Remember, it's not about making the perfect choice, but making the best choice given the circumstances. Happy learning!